Hello, great minds. Let us move to the southwest region of Cameroon today. That is a traditional meal that tastes like no other from the Bafo people. I hope I pronounced that correctly. MPUH fish, the almighty MPUH fish, eating plantain with plantain. That sounds funny, right? Alright, let's cook together. For this recipe, we'll need some fresh fish, garlic, onion, ginger, seasoning cubes, salt, black pepper, white pepper, njangsa, and some dried plantain. Here I am grinding all my dry spices. No electricity as usual. It has become something so normal. So I am using my hand machine. Here I go in with the onion. I am chopping them. And I'll be using some plantain that is half ripe. These are my grind ingredients. And then the light came in later on. I blended some pepper, ginger, and garlic with the electric mixer. So in a pot, I go in with my fish. I always like boiling my fish separate from the sauce for it to have some taste and not to scatter in the pot. So I'm going to go in with the black pepper, white pepper, then ginger, garlic, onion, salt, and seasoning cubes. Then boil the fish. Now in a pot, I'll go ahead and put in my plantain. Then I'll put water just a little, since it is not unripe to fill the pot with water. And then go in with all the dry ingredients in one pot. I made an error and poured in so much water. So to mix it wasn't easy. I had to sieve it. I check on my fish. And it is ready. The plantain is halfway gone. And I continue with the sauce. When you put it on the fire, you keep stirring continuously for it not to form lumps. When it's thickened, I had to add in some water to make it lighter so that it will also boil and then get ready. You can use warm water as well to mix it. That will shorten the process of you putting on the fire and stirring consistently for it to thicken. Here I have put enough water and I cover the pot. Check on the plantains again. And I guess this time around it is ready. I check on the sauce. It's not yet as thick as I want. I taste it. If the seasoning is okay, cover it for some moment to boil again for about 5 minutes. I then go in with my boiled seasoned fish. I put just about half of it. This was sauce for 2 days. I put only about half. The next I'll go with the other half. That's to prevent it from scattering inside the sauce. So I always take precautions. Then I add in some vegetable oil to top it up. Preparing it with precaution, shouldn't overstir. At this point in time, I have to shake it a little again so it won't stick at the bottom of the pot, and it is ready. Look at the beauty of what we just made. MPUH fish. You can eat this with yam as well. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed.